Hello, this is Tadas. I'm doing my first video editing video, so bear with me. I'm not a teacher, but I'll show you the way I edit pictures. So we're looking at Chicago image. This was taken with a drone in winter. I have some mice there visible. So I usually do the pictures. I go with auto first, and it kind of throws me on the right track. So it's already looking really good. And if you don't need to do anything else, just save it and done. But if you want to do more, just look what I do else. So for auto exposure, maybe a little bit too much. Contrast, you have to play around a little bit left to right, see the difference. So it's a lot of white boats here. Usually zoom in and highlights. Don't go too far. You want to be visible, some writings, and then not just the blown out shadows. Not too many shadows here, so see what happens. Sun was really bright, so white. Maybe I'll take a notch. White, black, blacks. It it's pretty bright image. So what I can do, I can throw just a little bit temperature down, so it's more like definitely winter looking. And those both just making you think it's summer. A little bit saturation. It comes out pretty bright, colorful. Texture. The texture. If you go in a plus size, so it's getting more texture, more kind of rough looking. If you go to minus, it's softened. So usually I like the softened texture, so the image looks better. Clarity. What it does, it kind of cleans out the image as well, crispier, but not too much. Basically, your eyeball test. Dehaze can make it lighter, and this dehaze on the plus side. It's getting a little bit dark, so what I can do, I can bring exposure just a little bit back to effects. Not touching anything else. Do sharpening usually. Not too much, but almost all the way. Noise reduction is always pictures most of the time noisy, so that it cleans out the image. Color noise, same thing almost, but that targets the color range. And let's see what we got. I went through all of these settings here. When you press image and hold it with your finger, it shows original, and this is after. So quite a difference. I'm gonna rotate my phone on a sideways. Take a look. Can take a look zooming in a little bit more detailed. And if you're going for this look, and this is it. And this is all done. Thank you for watching and subscribe.